Welcome to our automatic or half-automatic filling machine for PU sealant, structural adhesive, and silicone sealant. This machine is designed for high viscosity materials, providing precise dosing, clean filling, and stable production performance. With half-automatic or fully automated feeding, accurate weight control, and efficient sealing, it ensures consistent quality for 300 more or 600 more cartridges, aluminum tubes, or customized packaging. The system features reliable safety protection, easy operation, and minimal maintenance, making it ideal for medium and large-scale adhesive manufacturers. High efficiency, high accuracy, and high stability. This is the next generation of sealant filling technology. Shanghai Chanho Machinery Co., Ltd.